Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CJ Affiliate as a beginner in 2025. I will walk you through how to sign up, find affiliate programs, get your links, and start earning commissions. Even if you are brand new, let's jump in. CJ Affiliate is one of the oldest and largest affiliate networks. It connects content creators, bloggers, and marketers with brands like GoPro, Grammarly, Namecheap, Samsung, and many more. You can promote their products and earn money when someone buys using your unique link. Go to cz.com. Now sign up. Click get started. Now choose publisher account. Click sign up again. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary mail. Now enter your language, country name, email address. Then set a strong password and confirm the password. Then click the checkbox for captcha captcha. Then click next. Then click verify email. Then click save. Now go to your email address. Then click see the affiliate. Now click create my CJ publisher account. Once submitted, it might take 1 to 2 days for approval. Check your email for updates. Once approved, log into your account. Go to cz.com again. Click login. Now enter your credentials. Then follow the process. Once you are in, you will see dashboard, overview of clicks, sales, and earnings. Advertisers, where you find brands to promote. Links, your affiliate tools, reports, track performance. Click on Advertisers tab, you will see a marketplace of brand. How to join affiliate program. Use the search bar or filter by category, tech, fashion, travel. When you find a brand, click on join program button. Some brands approve instantly, others manually review your account. Once approved, you can start promoting their products. Click on links, then you click get links. Wait a minute. Copy your unique affiliate link. You can shorten it using tools like Bitly. Use this link in your blog, YouTube description, TikTok bio, etc. Click on Reports tab, track clicks, sales, and commission. Filter by date or advertiser. Check EPC, earnings per click, and conversion rates. This helps you see what's working and which brands earn the most. Go to account, then click payment settings, choose PayPal or direct deposit, set payment threshold. Payments are made monthly once you reach the threshold. Make sure your tax forms are submitted, and that's how you use Fizi Affiliate in 2025. To recap, sign up, get approved by advertisers, copy your affiliate links, promote them, track your sales, and get paid. If you want to see how to promote CJ, links with the blogs, YouTube, or Google Ads, drop a comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Have questions or want a follow-up on how to promote CJ links effectively? Just drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.